So these are by far the most played with toys we have ever had. And all they are is 2x4s that my husband and I cut up, and some other, I got some flat pieces. See, they're thin now. I know they look rough because we've had them for years now. Years. And I made sure to cut up a ton of these. A ton of little 2x4s. And these. I don't even know what they are. 1x maybe? I'm not sure. But I know they've been colored on. Again, they're by far the most played with toy we own. Because you can build a ton of stuff with them. Now, as far as other toys go, of course, the train tracks are always played with. The magnetiles are played with. And these get some play. They get a lot of play. They get some play, I guess you could say. They're the kid craft. I bought them used. So fire station, police station, another fire station, police station. So they're dollhouses, if you will. They got some furniture in them. So those by far are the most played with toys we have. The next one is, so Playmobil Space gets some, but the snap circuits. Now these do make noise, but they're noise that you make yourself, and they used as lights. It's a little ghost. They're made as lights. So Project 60 is, look, you just follow the instructions, just look it. Just place it how it's placed here, and that's it. And then it tells you in this corner, it tells you when you get here, like this is 62. So you set 62 up like that, and it's got S1, the D9, and you do problem solving if it's not working, and then you read this and it tells you like what it does. So that's it, and I bought these used as well. And of course, I just hauled them all downstairs. But just because I was trying to reduce the amount of toys in here. But, oh, of course, hold on. And Legos, definitely Legos. And now, of course, as well is toy cars. Toy cars, you can use toy cars for anything. You're making them go yourself. So the point is you want toys that you're making go yourself, okay?
Bye.
And hit the bell for notifications.
Hit the bell, you know, notification.